Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Allie. I am a wife of 4 years, a mother to an 11-month-old, and this nursery is a hot mess. I need to go through it. Today I'm going to organize my little boy's closet. He has way too many clothes, and I need to go through them and donate some, put up the ones that are too small that we're going to use for the next baby, and just all out redo it. Like, we're out of hangers. I have no room for any more clothes. And I started putting some toys in these bottom bins, and so now I need to reorganize that. I put some clothes in the bottom here and there's not enough room. So I'm just going to start with the closet, and I'm going to donate some and put away some that he's outgrown or that he can't wear because it's winter and they're summer clothes. And I'll show you the mess that is this nursery right now. So these bins here, this one is the tub I'm going to put his stuff in that we're going to keep for the next baby. And then this bag is going to be donation stuff. And this stuff up here is new clothes or clothes that I just washed didn't have room to put into the closet. So they'll get put in when I have room. This mattress was on his crib and we didn't know what to do with it. I'm going to have my husband put it up for now, and then we'll just decide later what to do with it. But this is the nursery. That radiator is what keeps Ben's room warm, and we have that gate to keep him away from it. But I'm just going to go through the clothes first and keep what I can, donate what I can, and put away what I can. So here we go. Okay guys, so I've gone through his closet and I went ahead and hung up all of his long sleeve onesies so that way I had more room in the drawer. So this is what's left to here. So all of these are clothes that he can wear right now, which is still a lot, but he goes through the clothes pretty quickly. He changes 2 to 3 times a day. And then here's the drawer. It looks a lot better. All of his pants, and then his short sleeve onesies here. And then now he has all of these cloth diapers, and so I'm going to get them organized in this drawer and start cleaning up. So I need to clean up this, kind of rework the way things go, and rework his closet because it's a mess. So I'm going to do that and clean up, and that will be the rest of it. Hopefully I'll get that done and his room will not be such a mess. Alright guys, I'm all done. Ben's room is clean as it's gonna get. I didn't get to the books, do that some other time. But I did want to take you around and show you kind of how I organize things and how his room is set up. Just start here. We have his diaper pail, his radiator, like I said, to keep him warm, his glider. This is just his nightstand, and we do have the Angel Care monitor. We love it. When he was first born, it had the breathing monitor on it. We don't use that anymore since he's bigger, but it would always tell us if he stopped breathing, and only did it once, but it gave us a lot of peace of mind. And so it has a good video. We can hear him. We just really like that. And then we have this humidifier we just keep in here for when he gets sick, and just some toys and his white noise machine. It plays like nursery songs too, or like lullabies, but he just does the white noise. And he has his little playmat here that he plays with sometimes when he wakes up. And then these are all of his stuffed animals, and he does sleep on a mattress on the floor. It just worked best for him. After trial and error, that was the best thing for him. And then these are his toys. We keep them in here. He does get to play with them out there, but we keep them in here, and then we just rotate them out like when he plays in the living room and stuff, so he doesn't have them all out there at once. And then this is his closet. He's missing a bin. That's the bottom two are toys, and like I said, we rotate them out, so he has that one right now. And then let me see if I can show you. Over here he has the rest of his playmat, his carrier, and his Build-A-Bear box. We just kept that. All of these are his blankets, his winter blankets. And then this, I always keep clothes that he goes, he stays with his aunt, his great aunt, and his great grandparents. And so they have sets of clothes for him that they bought. And so I just keep them in there. So I know when he goes to his aunt, if he wore home the clothes that she bought, that I can just send them back. So that's what that is. And then on this other side, these are just sacks we had from his baby shower, so I just use them to keep clothes in and stuff. And then these are books he hasn't grown into yet. Some are his dad's, some he got as presents. And then this is the sack that we use for him when we travel. And then these are all his clothes, like I said. And up here we have just boxes, some heirlooms. And these are the clothes that he outgrew, and it's only half full, so I wanted to keep it up there so I can fill it up some more as he outgrows more clothes. And then we have no storage in our house, so we have to use his closet for some storage, and these are just big blankets that we have stored. And I'll show you what we have in his dresser. Okay, so this is his dresser. These are all of his stuffed animals, his little ones. His big ones are actually in his toy box, so stuffed animals, bigger toys that he hasn't grown into yet are in his toy box. And then these are his lotions and hand sanitizer for when we change his diaper. And then this is the diffuser, and we only use it when he's sick, so I just stuck it up here. And then of course we have wipes, and then all of this is just his necessities, like medicine, diaper rash cream, his passy holder, sunglasses, bath stuff, just stuff like that in there. And then in this drawer we keep his hats and just random stuff like this rock his uncle, who's 13, wanted to give to him, so he can't use it now, so I'm just going to put it in there for now. And then all of his hats. And here we have socks and shoes. And like you saw, this one is his cloth diapers. We do use disposable at night and when we travel. So that's all these. These are the liners for the cloth diapers. These are the inserts. And then this is a wet bag to keep in his diaper bag, a changing mat, another wet bag, and then more inserts. And then again, like you saw, we have pants, short sleeve onesies, and that's it. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that it motivates you to clean whatever room you need to clean. I needed to do this for a long time, and I've just been putting it off because it's hard to get in his room. Luckily, his dad has been watching him, so he's been preoccupied. So I'm going to feed him supper, and we're going to go to bed soon. So thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really supports my channel, and I would love for you to subscribe and be a part of our YouTube family. And any comments below, just let me know what you want to see, what you liked, what you didn't like, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.